Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price, and today I'll be showing you the 260 liters double door model which is comes from LG brand. As you can see here, the LG logo. So I will be talking about this silver color model which is shiny steel in color, and it has a handle model. So you can see the finishing of the handle, and here is a lock system by which you can lock your fridge. As it is a 260 model, so it comes with 1 year warranty, complete warranty, and you can see here 10-year warranty on compressor. As it is a 2-star, so it is going to take 248 units per year. And come to the down, so here is a auto connect, auto smart connect, and it will actually run automatically when power cut in your home. So it will go to the on inverter mode. It will run also in your home inverter. As you can see here, it is works without a stabilizer, so there is no need to put any stabilizer for it. And here is a smart diagnosis system by which you just have to install an application on your mobile. And let me show you the diagnosis system, how it is going to diagnose the problems of your fridge. The beep sound will come here and it will automatically diagnose the problem of the fridge. So as it is a double door model, so let's go to enter the fridge. Here you can see the cells of the fridge. You will get here 4 cells, and if I'll be talking about this self quality, so self quality is very good, and as well as door is very premium. So let's go to enter. As soon as you enter in the fridge, here you will find the door cooling, so you can easily cool the door. Okay. And if I'll be talking about the self quality, so LG is providing toughened glass cells. You can see here 3 cells in it. And as we go to the down, so you will find here a large vegetable box which is convertible, fruit and vegetable. As you can see here, here is a setting manual by which you can set your fridge. And let me show you the inner side of the fridge. Here you will get buttons by which you can convertible your fridge in, and here is another button for fridge super chill. So let's go to the freezer. Let me show you the freezer. Here is cell, you can see. So as it is a convertible model, you can see here it is written here convertible, and here is the ice making box. So you can easily make ice and take it. And this is egg tray, and here is a manual by some key. Here is a key. Okay, so this is all about the fridge 260 liter of. And if I'll be talking about the model number of this fridge, so let me zoom it out, and it is a model GLT292 RPZY. It has another variant in this segment, but I will provide you the price checklist on description box, so you can easily find the link and easily get the product. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, so please like the channel and subscribe the channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, so please like Facebook page. This is all about the product, and I have made another videos on these models, separate videos, so you can easily find the link in the playlist, and you can go there and check all the fridges in single demonstration. So this is all about for today, and I will come tomorrow another model, and this will be the these models. So I have another website which is buybestprice.in. So you can go there and find a lot of posts and reviews by which you can increase your knowledge about home appliances. So go there and check the website also. Thank you. Let's meet with another video tomorrow.